Hello there, welcome to my channel. Now in today's video I'm gonna be doing my hair. Well, I started doing my hair already. I started yesterday, but in this video I will be completing what I started yesterday because I just couldn't afford to start making my hair today. Like when you have your hands full, I got work, I got an old baby to do, breastfeeding, nursing. Whew, that thing tires me out, it wears me off for real. So I started my hair yesterday night. Most of the night, yes, I was down here making my hair, so I'm just about to finish it now. And the hair I'm using today is the Outre Twisted Up Bonita Temptation Locks in 20 inches. Yes, last time I made a video about this type of hair, it was the Bonita Crochet locks. I bought that hair, I had some of it, I used some on the clients. I was going to use the remainder. Let me buy me some more. Then I saw the Temptation locks, I was like, I don't know about this one, but let me just see. So I bought it, and honestly I just loved it. I'm like, yes, this is the perfect one. Like, so I decided I'm going to, because it's super messy, distress. So here it is. Now most of the back is crochet, like crochets and cornrows, because the style I had before this, oopsie, the video is yet to be edited, but actually recorded a video of that. The style I had before this, I had cornrows in the back, cornrows up front. So I did the cornrows in a way that I could take down the cornrows in the front and put individuals, because I really had plans of putting some locks in my hair. So most of the back is crocheted and old cornrows, and the front individual crochets. I think I have about 18 individuals up front here. So now back to the hair before I start rambling. Bonita Temptation Lock in 20 inches, actually not 18 inches. This is the hair, 20 inches. Super distressed. I love this hair because it's just giving me what it's supposed to give. Like, I really want the messy distress look. Like, it's super sunny outside, so I'm gonna take some pictures and videos outside when I'm done, so you can see just how texture the hair is. The hair comes in 20 inches. In the bag is 18 strands, and I actually add 4 bags of this, 4 bags of the Temptation Lock. So far, now this is about half a bag. So far I have about 3 bags, and no, less than 3 bags and half on my head. So let me just get started already. I'm using the color number 1, jet black, and the color macchiato for my highlights. Now the macchiato, if I pronounce that correctly. Now this color now is not just one solid color, it's just a mix of colors, which is so beautiful. Like the macchiato, it's got some like it's like a mix of color, T30. Now this is what comes in the macchiato pack. Some T30, some 27, some 33, some brown like color fur, like some color, yeah, 33. I mentioned 33. So it's just a beautiful highlight mix like that. So I saved this 4 pieces for the front. Like, can I spin around so you can see? I don't know if you can see the colors popping. Yeah, so I have some bits of the color here and there on my head already. But anyways, let's finish up. Now this do I like it? Yes, I do. I mean, I've worn this overnight, and I already started noticing some things. Like, let me show you, what's that thing I was trying to see. It's already freezing, but it's okay, it's permittable for locks. And I noticed that some of the ends were like kind of almost unraveling, but I'm just gonna make it work. So let me just get started already. Individual crochet locks in the front, I have a whole bunch of them done already. I'm just gonna finish up the remaining in this video and show you. Like, now, honest opinion, I don't think this hair is best for individual locks. Now it's gonna hold, but it's just not, if you're looking for something that's gonna last for a long time, I don't suppose this hair will be it. Now for a regular crochet style that you just put on traditional cornrows, I suppose you'll be fine, but for individuals, this could be a bit tricky. So let me get started. Okay. Whew. Yeah, my scalp is super high. What does that mean? My scalp is high, like I literally raise my scalp like it's high in miracle drops. So let's see, I have 1 2 3 4. Okay, let's get started. So this one, do I have 4 colors here? 1 2 3, yeah. Okay, this is like a darker hue more. The hair does come looped, like small loops, but we can make it work after some pulling. So let me start this one. My latch hook, I stick my latch hook under. Consider, okay, my latch hook, I stick that under my hair, pull that thing through. And now, because of the way this is, I would have to like open it up and pull the lock through it, which I'm doing right now. Okay, pull, yeah, make it kind of secure at the base. Now you're gonna see why I said this is not the best for individuals, because the hair is actually hollow, the locks are hollow on the inside, but they're just not predictable. Now what I do mean by predictable is that some of them are kind of thin, like you'll see this now, so chances of your hair picking out I kind of eye. Pull my hair in. Okay, one. Stick my latch up inside of the lock again. I'm looking down for this because this is something I need a mirror for, and I do have a mirror in front of me right now. So that goes in again. Pull that. Two. Another thing I did was that I didn't make the individuals up front. I didn't make them super firm at the root. Like I just made them kind of like soft and meshing, like so that when I'm done with the style, it's gonna look like I've had it in for a couple of weeks. So I'm feeling it already. I'm feeling myself already. I can see some of my hair peeking out of this, but it's okay. I'm not a paying client. I'm not paying myself, so it's fine. But if I had to put this on a client's head, I would definitely have to do better with the install. So that goes the first one. Here's the other one. Now this one is a bit better than this first one I just put in because this one's kind of bigger. It's a bit bigger, so my hair would easily hide inside of this one. So pull out the loop again. Latch hook goes underneath. Oops. Now about the hair, it's in 20 inches, 18 packs in a bag. It's an Outre brand. I bought it online myself. This is not a paid video. I bought this hair. The bag cost me $7.99 a bag plus tax, of course, because I'm in the state of Illinois. We pay tax and everything. So if you want to buy this hair, if you like this hair, you can go online yourself. Like, I do not have to tell you where I bought this hair from. Yeah, I said what I said. Yeah, see, my hair is all hidden inside this one. That's the other one. Now I've been at this now for like 4 minutes, so I'm not the person that will call me and tell you that, oh, this video took me 1 hour. I mean, this hair took me 1 hour to install. That's a lie. Like, I mean, before I had the baby, I used to move fast. I was doing my hair, but Lord, I'm so tired now. I don't have energy for anything. So this thing, it took me a while yesterday night, but like, Kenny, you gotta do this. You gotta look cute because I've been looking too momish in recent times. No offense to moms, I'm a mom too, so you understand what I'm saying. It's easy to look super drab, and then I've been super busy with work and all of that, taking more clients, and well, sometimes you just have to make yourself look cute because at the end of the day, I'm still somebody's wife, and you know, you gotta keep it going. So latch hook goes inside my lock. Goes inside my lock. Push. Yeah, down there. Grab my hair, stick my hair in. Yeah, that's halfway in. Take the latch hook further down. Another thing is, if you're paying attention, I'm using a very small latch hook for this, not the popular ones that, I mean, it's not like the latch hook is so big, but I'm just not fond of the regular ones you find at the beauty supply. Like, it's just, I always go for something that's smaller than that because that thing just scares me. Like, this is slightly small. At the end of this video, I'm just going to put it side by side with the regular one so you can see the difference in the size. And like, this one I'm using is kind of smaller. It is smaller than the regular ones. So now where's my hair? Okay, it's all in. That went fast. And now this is the last one. Yeah, last one. I'm gonna open up this loop. Now this macchiato ones, I noticed some of them are, this one is kind of ombre, like up right at the top here is like color T30, and at the bottom is like a color 27. So it just gives it this mixed color thing, and it's so beautiful. Like this color I am still gonna buy again because I still have the Bonita Crush Locks for myself, and if I can find the Bonita Crush Locks in this color, I'll definitely buy it. So lock that up. I got some time today because I had a client, just one client today, and I'm done already. It was a quick style I did in the morning. So when I said my client, I'm like, well, you just block off the rest of the day so I can get my hair done. That's why I've got time to make my hair today. My baby's at daycare, enjoying his best life. Okay, that's one. A bit more. Stick this in. If I had had to do a full of a head of individuals with this thing, I would have been frustrated because I just don't have the kind of energy I used to have. Like having a baby changes everything, like everything. After one client now, I'm so tired. By the time I up on the next client, I'm like, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Baby's a blessing. So I'm actually done. Yep, that was fast. Yep. How many individuals do I have? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 and 3, 7. Okay, I actually have 14 individuals in the front here. Yeah, just 14, which is just enough to give me the natural look I want. See how messed up my roots are. Looks like something I've had in for a while, and the fact that I look so old is the more reason why it looks more natural. Okay, so this is the remaining hair I have. Let me see. Do I have any black remaining? No. Okay, this, so like I mentioned, the bag did come with 18 locks, so I had 4 bags. So 3 bags will be 18 by 4. 3 bags, that's 54 locks. I have 54 locks in, and from the 4th bag, 18, and how many is this? Is 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Yeah, so I use all 3 bags, and 8 from the, yeah, because a bag comes with 18 and 8 pieces from the 4th bag. So 54 and 8. 54 plus 8. Man, my math sucks. 54. 62. Yes, perfect. So all together I have 60 locks on my head, which is a good thing because it's not heavy. It's super lightweight. I'm not a big fan of jamming so much hair on your head, because when you jam all these bags of hair on your head, it's just gonna be heavy. Now each to their own, for real. Some folks now would actually put like a whole bunch of bags on their head, but for me, 3 bags and half is just enough. See, and I think my picture's outside. This is what it is. This is just how it looks. And so at this point, I would say thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. If you're new to this channel, welcome to my channel. I goof around a bit sometimes, but then for the most part I just braid, and sometimes I record my clients here and I put on this channel. So thank you so much for joining me on this channel. You're welcome to subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. And for you that have been subscribed to this channel too for a while now, thank you so much. Like, you know, YouTube is a place that allows a lot of people to be fake, but then we can't all be fake. Like, some of us just have to be who we are, like, you know. So just thank you for watching me and loving me and my shenanigans. Yeah, I said that. Thank you so much. My name is Annie, and thank you again. Thank you. And it's actually been 5 weeks now since I've had my hair in my head, and it's finally time for me to take them out. Yes, 5 weeks later. But then in between, I did cut these locks short because they were kind of too long for me. Not for me, but for my baby. Because even if I was wearing the locks up, it would still hang, and this child of mine will be like, I'm trying to stick them in his mouth. I'm like, child, it's not food, it's not food. Stop sticking my hair in your mouth. So I had to like cut them short. And for the most part, I was wearing them up, and I just actually took a rubber band out of them right now, and see, whew, my scalp, my hair needs to be washed. 5 weeks later, it's all dry and crunchy and begging to like be taken out. And of course, you see, it's sort of like you know, when hair is messy, this is where you get locking up together pretty much. But it's okay, it's time to let it go. But then I gotta be careful with the front, because, you know, I got individuals on the front here, so I'm gonna take those out. I'm just gonna section those first, section those, and then cut off the back. Yeah, I got all of the individuals. These are all individuals. I'll be cutting them a bit differently. Let's see. You know what, let me, okay, yeah, Goodbye, locks. And the back I will gladly cut from the base. Chop chop, snip snip, down and trim. And I will be right back. And 1 hour later, I'm done. Whew. My hair stank. All of that oil and grease I've been throwing in, all the moisturizing. I'm gonna make sure I shampoo tonight, and I'm probably just gonna deep condition overnight and give my hair some life.